Hello guys, I am having the worst couple days. It's been a rough one and I don't really know why, but vlogging's kind of just been like sparse here and there. I was behind on videos, so I'm finally starting to get some videos up, which is exciting. And you know, just running errands, doing things of the sort. And the last couple days have just been like hitting a wall, you know, when you're just like going and you're doing fine and then all of a sudden you just like get knocked over. I feel like that's kind of where I'm at right now. It's been rough. And I know this isn't going to make it better, but I just decided that I'm gonna try a winged eyeliner today. And it's probably not gonna go well. But you know what, we're just gonna go for it. We're gonna do it anyways. If there's one thing I probably regret most in my life, it's not having mastered the winged eyeliner by the age of 31. I have watched many a tutorial on how to do this, and for whatever reason, I can never get it right. And they never look good in general, but then one is always like 1,000 times better than the others. I'm going to try. I am using the Glossier liquid eyeliner, and wish me luck. Okay, I'm gonna set you guys up and out of the way in case things get heated. I don't wanna like knock you over. Okay. I'm wondering if I should start doing this more regularly and just accept that I have to walk around with not great eyeliner until the day when I actually, you know, master it. This is really nice. I haven't used this before. It's my first time using it, but that just went on very nicely. You probably can't tell. It's not shiny, it's matte. I'm into that. I don't want to do like a huge dramatic line. I just want like a thin one. So I'm nervous. Can you tell? Okay, here we go. Okay, ladies and gents, hear me out. This isn't that horrible. I thought it was going to be a lot worse. Now, here comes the hard part. We're going to try to attempt to match. Deep breaths. That doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. I'm back with a Q-tip and micellar water, and we're going to try to dab this out without ruining everything. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. We've looked better, Ash. This is really stressful for me. You guys are probably dying. Okay, I need to go out more, not up. Well, that's a lot better. I feel like that's more even. Now I'm just gonna like draw it across. Update, here's where we're at with the liner. It's not great, but you know what? No one's perfect, and I feel like it looks okay. Maybe I'll just start randomly doing a winged eyeliner more regularly so that I can get better at it. Also update, I liked the pen. It went on smooth when it was fresh, but I felt like it dried out really fast. So that's my thoughts on that. So my dad got me this new contraption for plants. It is a 3-way meter. It kind of tells you what the water level's at, what the light level is at, and I've been trying to use it to keep my fiddle happy. You guys definitely remember this fiddle because I did like a whole vlog on purchasing him. He's good, he's not great, and I can't figure out why. The only thing that I've noticed since having this meter is that I don't think it's getting enough sun. That's why I just pulled it out. I'm trying to give it more sunlight to see if that makes it a little happier. I was watering it once a week, so I think with enough sun that should be okay, but this has been a process and I don't understand exactly what's happening. But if you guys, if any of you guys are like fiddle masters, I would love your opinions on what I'm doing wrong. I have it in a plastic pot. I water it once a week. I don't overwater it, I don't think. The only thing I could think of is it's gotta be the sun, so we might have to find a new spot for it. I'm not entirely sure where though. And before anyone says anything, I know I'm wearing lipstick. It's kind of a vibe. I'm kind of really feeling myself right now. I never wear this much makeup, but I just felt like, you know what, let's just go for it. Let's just do something different. So I'm gonna sit down and film a video, and I'm very excited for it. It's a favorites. I don't know about you guys, but I live for favorites. They are my favorite kind of videos to watch. I just love knowing what people are into and trying to decide if I also should be into it. So I'm gonna film one of those. If you guys love favorites, then go check it out or whatever. It's gonna be on the same channel, which is just still crazy to me to think that both my channels are merged, which, you know, it's been a while now, but still new for me, still a big deal. I'm all set up over here. And yeah, here we go. What's up guys, we're breaking up today's vlog with today's sponsor, which is Upstart. You guys already know I've been working with them for a while. I'm a big fan of them. I think money knowledge and a good understanding of budgeting and paying off debt is so healthy and crucial in our lives, especially when you have student debt. Upstart is the fast and easy way to pay off your debt with a personal loan, all online. Whether it's paying off credit cards, consolidating high interest debt, or funding personal expenses, over 500,000 people have used Upstart to get a simple fixed monthly payment. Unlike other lenders, Upstart looks at more than just your credit score, thank God. They look at things like your income and your employment history, which means that they can offer smarter rates with more trusted partners. With a 5-minute online rate check, you can see your rate up front for loans, get this, from $1,000 to $50,000. 50. And the reason I love Upstart is because you can receive funds as fast as one business day, because some of us don't have time to play around, okay? This is business. Find out how Upstart can lower your monthly payments today when you go to upstart.com/Ashley. That's upstart.com/Ashley. And don't forget to use my URL code so they know that I sent you. So again, guys, if you need help paying off debt, or if any of this kind of resonated with you, then go to upstart.com/Ashley. And back to the vlog. I have been sitting here eating these chocolate covered raisins by Trader Joe's for like 10 minutes now. I have a problem. You guys are gonna probably disagree with me, but I haven't been getting as many packages as I normally do. I'm so excited for the package that just came in the mail. I got hit up by And Other Stories, which used to be one of my favorite stores to like go walk into. Their in-person like store location experience is phenomenal. The layout is gorgeous. The displays are just exceptional. And I really miss going and like walking around, but I don't remember the last time I've been into like a mall to just like casually shop. It's been probably Christmas of 2019. I don't know. They hit me up and asked if I wanted anything, and of course I did. So, very excited. I mean, come on. Look at how adorable these are. These look comfortable, squishy, fashion forward-esque. Hello. I'll be wearing this all the time. So excited. I feel like I should put them on now. This isn't like the most ideal outfit to wear it with, but also not a bad one. Like it could be worse. It could be a lot worse. Okay. Okay. These are hot as hell. Check it. Wow. I could wear these with a skirt. I could wear these with sweatpants, with some jeans. I love them a lot. What else do we have in here? Oh, cute.